My boys were craving Hawaiian barbecue, so that's what I'm making today, and it's much easier than you think. Let me show you how. We're gonna start off by making the marinade for the chicken, and I'm using half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of honey, 1/3 cup of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and here I have 1 teaspoon of each, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Mix until well combined. And now we can add the chicken. I'm using 2 pounds of skinless, boneless thighs. You can use breast, but breast is a little bit more dry. Now we put it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. Now for the macaroni salad, I've set my pot to medium-high heat with 4 quarts of boiling water. We add some salt and 1 pound of macaroni. Give it a quick mix and let it cook for 9 to 11 minutes or until desired tenderness. It's been 12 minutes. Our macaroni is now ready. I'm gonna drain it and set it to the side. Also for the macaroni salad, I'm gonna be shredding 2 carrots along with 1/4 of a white onion. We add it to a bowl. We add the onion, the carrots, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, and last, salt and pepper to taste. Mix until everything is well combined. Now to cook the chicken, I've set my skillet on medium-high heat and I'm gonna add some oil. We add the chicken and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Our chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes. We remove from the heat and set it to the side. Now to serve, here I have some white rice, steamed cabbage, the chicken, and last, our delicious macaroni salad. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of teriyaki glaze, some parsley flakes, and it's ready to enjoy. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try this recipe. It's very delicious. My boys can eat Hawaiian barbecue every day. So if you've never tried it, this is your time to try it. It's so delicious. And there you have it, delicious Hawaiian barbecue. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.